Hello everyone, this is Vega to you, and today I'm going to be discussing nominalisers. So nominalisers are things that turn a verb into a noun, make it a noun. That's why it's a nominaliser. So this works in the same way as ing does in English, like I'm going to the shops or whatever. So himasu becomes iku and then added with koto to make it or no is the other normalizer, and that makes it a noun phrase as opposed to just a verb thing, and it can be treated like a noun. So 朝来るものを食べること and then you can say, and then that becomes just one noun pretty much, and you can treat it like that, and that, hence you can go wa kenko ni ii desu. So this is saying that eating fruit in the morning, that just making that one phrase, wa is, and then kenko ni ii desu, so good for your health or good for health. And this works the same if we're going Raigetsu Toshio-san ga Nihon e kaeru koto o shirimasen deshita. So shirimasen deshita, I didn't know. And they're saying that we didn't know that next month Toshio-san is going back to Japan, is returning to Japan. And when we're doing this, we've got to be aware that koto means an intangible thing. So if we're referring to koto, we're referring to like an idea or concept, whereas mono is like an object, a tangible thing. So you can't say あなたが知っているものを話してください because that's saying things, please talk about things you know about, but it's like when it says things you know about, that's what it sounds like objects, whereas we want to say あなたが知っていることを話してください, which is like talk about things as in like concepts that you know about. And normalizer koto doesn't just turn the verb, as you've seen in the previous thing, it turns the whole sentence. So if we see here, this says Tessan wa 来年フランスに留学することを考えています. So she's thinking about, and this whole nominalized phrase back here, which is フランスに留学する, so studying in France. There's two different types of nominalizers. Koto is the main one, but that sort of like indicates a distance from something to the speaker, so they don't feel close to it. So it just states that in general or objective, whereas not is like something which the speaker can directly perceive or emphasize with. So compare these two. So we've got the shosetsu or kaku koto wa muzukashii desu, which using koto is just saying that in general writing a novel is hard. Shosetsu being novel. And then in this one we've got shosetsu o kaku no wa muzukashii desu, which means writing a novel is hard, but it's like personally directly to affecting them, as opposed like there's either involved in writing a novel, maybe helping someone write the novel, I don't know, but it just sort of implies that more personal involvement. So not is used when preceding clause as something rather concrete and generally, while koto is used when preceding a clause that expresses something rather abstract. So if we're doing 私はトム君が教室を出るのを見ました. So I'm leaving the classroom. I mean, I saw Tom leaving the classroom. God, I'm just starting to read things now. And you can't use koto here because this is like a direct thing. There's certain verbs, so like that you can't use koto with. You can only use no. So there's verbs that you can only use no. Miru, mieru, kiku, kikoeru, motsu, kanjiru, tomeru, and a couple of other miscellaneous ones, which just mean it cannot be dealt with. I mean, you cannot only use no. And then koto are more the abstract things, like you're able to do, dekiru, to have been, aru, suru, naru, yoru, all these ones that are more abstract, like more concepts or like ideas, as opposed to being able to do things or to be able to feel things. So yeah, that's the difference between them. Hope you found this informative, learnt something. Things didn't go completely insane because my worksheet's been a bit crazy. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you did. Any questions and comments and corrections, please put them down in the description. Thanks for watching. This has been Vago to you. Goodbye.